everyone, and welcome to the Sincere Lifestyle.
We are making smoothies today.
Yes, and these smoothies are focused on hair growth, skin health, and also nail growth.
Yes, just overall benefits your body. And all these products that we have today you can get from Whole Foods, and we'll explain each of the benefits and also make it as we do that, and enjoy.
So we have this 8-ounce single serve. You might have a bullet or whatever, so you can use that for today.
We have this plant protein mix that I like to taste after a good workout. It is 21 grams of protein, and you can get this from the Thrive Market online.
We'll include a link to that in the description box below.
And as you know, protein is good for the hair. It makes the hair strong, it makes the nails strong. And then we have this collagen peptide. It's grass-fed, pasture-raised, okay? And this is just very healthy. It's keto and paleo friendly.
Love it. Keto, yes.
Okay. So it says here it's for the hair, skin, nail, and joint support.
Absolutely.
Okay. So all natural hydrolyzed protein, collagen peptides, and this is good for your skin, anti-wrinkle. This is good for your hair, making it more strong, your bones.
Yes.
So many benefits for the body, you know.
So many benefits, especially if you're running or you're following along with our videos.
Right.
This is going to help keep your joints strong.
Exactly. Okay. And this one you can get from Live Well is a website, and I absolutely love it.
Okay.
Yeah. So next up is mangoes
and strawberries, and we also have blueberries, so we're going to add these all in. I love antioxidants. If you read some or watched some of our other videos, you know this is definitely great for gut health, which is what we're really focused on. We also really love yogurt, but I'm lactose intolerant, so we have an amazing organic plant-based cashew milk yogurt, and we love bananas. It always adds a yummy sweetness.
You gotta get the potassium in.
Yes. And this also, as you know, I'm lactose intolerant, so we found that walnut milk is amazing. So we'll include a link to this as well in the description box below.
And fun fact, as you know, walnut milk, you can actually digest it easier than like whole milk. And also, this is a probiotic. So fun fact, all these probiotics are good for your body. It fights the bad bacteria in your body, so it's good to like eat on a daily.
Yes, great for your gut health for sure. All right, let's get started. Okay, I really love to put the water or like the liquid first. So we're just gonna go in and put that walnut milk in there. Let's do 3/4 of a cup.
And walnut milk also have omega-3s in it, which is a really fun fact and benefits your body and your bones.
Absolutely.
Next, should we put the powder in? I think so.
Yeah,
right?
I always like to put the powder in afterwards, after the liquid.
Okay, so you just follow the serving size. So we're doing 1 scoop. Sometimes in these things you gotta find the spoon. Like, where is the spoon?
I have one.
The old bag.
The old bag. Make it real easy.
Right?
So yeah, following the serving size, you'll get a link to this in the description box below. Perfect. And for this yogurt, let's just do about like 2 tablespoons.
Yes.
These are generous tablespoons. Alright.
Put the banana in there.
Yeah.
Let's put the potassium.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a fresh, ripe banana. I love this when it's like really fresh. Nice and green.
Oh yeah.
Put a little in there. A little in there. Put that in there.
so this is half a cup that I have here. And so I'm just gonna fill it with however many strawberries fit in there. Smush that in. And then I'm gonna do the same for the mango.
I love mango.
All right, she loves mango for real. She's a mango lady.
Mango lady, I love mango. Like putting mangoes in a cup on the side and drinking cold water with it. Like, who does that?
Oh my God.
Leave your comments down below if you follow me. Like, drink frozen mangoes, leave a cup of water on the side, and just eat it as a snack.
I mean, it's a really healthy snack, so I have to give you that. So I just put half a cup of the mango, half a cup of the strawberry, and so now I have a quarter of a cup here, and I'm just gonna put that, fill that with berries. It's gonna give you a great gut health antioxidant added. And look at that, look how cute that is. So we're just gonna top that off and
Smush it in.
smush it in. There we go. Screw that in.
And this appliance is a Ninja. We had it for a year and it's been working so well. So well.
Love it.
Voila! Voila! We are done. And this is like, you could have, you know, 2 serving sizes in this or 1. Usually after a workout or every day with my breakfast or without breakfast, you can actually just have this for yourself. You know, this could be a meal replacement, or this could be, you can eat this with a small meal, small breakfast, and just be on your way.
And I love to have this just as my breakfast and really have like a full, like hefty lunch right after. So it's really up to you and, you know, your diet plan and the way that you consume. But yeah, look how good that looks.
It's very thick, and I love smoothies.
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
And yeah, smoothies with a purpose.
With a purpose. So yeah, so definitely drink this. It really helps your gut, it really helps your hair, your skin, your joint health. There's so many benefits.
Your bones.
Yes, absolutely.
Anti-wrinkle.
Oof, I love it. I love it. All right, so cheers to you guys. Thank you for watching.
Cheers.
Like and subscribe.
Yes. Cheers, mate.
Cheers, mate. See you next time.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye.